Alright, it's Friday morning. It's 3:46 in the morning. I've got to make some coffee because we're going on a trip. We are going to Mexico for a week. And I have barely slept. I don't know if it's anticipation for the trip or what, but I maybe got 3 hours of sleep. And as I said, it's 3, almost 4 in the morning. And we have to be there in an hour. So I'm gonna make coffee. Let's get started. She thinks she's going, but she's not. Get my coffee for the ride to the airport. Just gotta load these bags and get to the airport. See you there. Now at the airport, trying to make this first flight. You made it on that line. With her. So this is the first leg of the trip. We'll be in Atlanta soon.
Georgia. The local time is 7:47 a.m. We've experienced a 1-hour time change. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, and all carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Remember to use caution when opening the overhead bins to prevent injury from items that may have shifted during flight. You may now use your mobile devices. Before leaving the aircraft, please check your seat pocket, overhead bins, and floor area around your seat for any personal items you brought on board.
Welcome to Atlanta. It's now time to go get coffee. I keep knocking things over. Sitting in the Sky Lounge waiting on our next flight to Mexico. Well, it's now boarding. Okay, the flight leaves in 41 minutes. So I think we're going to gather ourselves and get on the plane. Sound good to you? Alright, it's going to be a fun trip. And now we're going to go board the flight. And in 3 hours or so, we'll be in Mexico. Let's ride. the drive, or the ride, unlike last year when we drove. Alright, we made it to our room. Have been just walking around the resort and chilling out. Got something to eat. It's been pretty good. Oh, lighting is terrible out here. It's now evening. We've ordered room service. There's a freaking coffee bar that makes espresso on this resort. This is awesome. So I might go get coffee while we're waiting on room service. It's been a long day. Neither one of us slept much last night. That should be it for this vlog. See you tomorrow.